Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Bitrix24 in 2025, a powerful all-in-one business management and CRM tool. Whether you are managing a team, tracking leads, or automating tasks, Bitrix24 can do it all. Let's dive in. Bitrix24 is a collaboration suite with tools like CRM, project management, communication, tasks, chat, calendar, and even a website builder. It's like combining Slack, Trello, Zoom, and Salesforce all under one roof. Go to bitrix24.com and sign up with your email. Click start for free from upper right corner. Then enter your Gmail email address. Then hit that box and click on I'm not a robot. Then click continue. Click continue. Then select from here or skip for now. Which look you will be taken to your workspace dashboard, which looks a bit like a social media feed. From here you can post updates to your team, access tools via the left side menu, view notifications, tasks, and chats. The navigation bar on the left is where the real power is. Let's explore the key tools. Let's start with the CRM. One of Bitrix24's strongest features: leads, potential customers, deals, active sales processes, contacts, and companies, your client database. You can create you can create pipelines, move deals with drag and drop, assign tasks to sales reps, and even connect email to telephony for communication tracking. Next is task and project management, ideal for teams. Create tasks for yourself or your team. Set deadlines, prioritize, and checklists. Use Kanban boards or Gantt charts for visual tracking. Project groups help you manage entire workflows and collaborate in one place. Bitrix24 also replaces your internal communication tools like chat, video calls, work groups, and activity stream. Chat for quick messages, video calls with screen sharing, work groups for department-based collaboration, activity stream like a company social feed. You can share files, tag teammates, and get real-time updates across departments. Stay organized with the built-in calendar. Schedule events, send invites to coworkers or clients, sync with Google or Outlook, and take it further with automations like sending a follow-up email when a deal is moved to a new stage. Want to build a site? Bitrix24 has a built-in website and online store builder, drag and drop style. Choose a template or start from scratch. Add sections like contact forms, product listings, or testimonials. Integrate it with CRM so new leads auto sync. Add your domain and go live. No coding needed. Don't forget, Bitrix24 has powerful mobile app too. Manage tasks, chat with your team, or track deals on the go. Pre-plan pricing. Pricing, pre-plan, or paid plans. Pre-plan, great for small teams. Paid plans unlock advanced CRM automation and storage options. Start with the free version and upgrade as your team grows. And that's your beginner's guide to Bitrix24 in 2025. From managing clients to automating tasks, it's a game changer for teams and freelancer alike. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe and comment below what Bitrix feature you want a deep dive on next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.